Today, we explore one of the most powerful forces shaping human health, the connection between the mind and the body. Modern science now confirms what ancient traditions understood centuries ago, that your thoughts, emotions, and mental habits can change your hormones, reshape your brain, and even influence the way your organs work. But how does this mind-body healing actually happen? And what does the latest scientific research reveal? Let's dive deeper. When your brain senses stress, it triggers an automatic chain reaction inside your body. Your hypothalamus sends a message to your adrenal glands, releasing cortisol, the primary stress hormone. Cortisol is useful in small amounts. It sharpens your focus and prepares your body for action. But when stress becomes constant, cortisol turns damaging. High levels of cortisol weaken immunity, disturb digestion, raise blood pressure, and disrupt sleep. This is why chronic stress is now considered one of the biggest silent threats to long-term health. Modern neuroscience shows that your brain communicates with every organ through a network called the autonomic nervous system. When the mind is calm, the parasympathetic system becomes active. Your heartbeat slows. Your breathing deepens. Your digestive system works better, and your cells begin repairing themselves. Scientists now call this state rest and repair mode. It is the opposite of stress mode, and it is the state in which true healing begins. The mind creates chemicals that shape how the body feels. For example, positive emotions like gratitude and joy increase dopamine and serotonin. Kind thoughts activate oxytocin, known as the healing hormone. Deep breathing reduces cortisol in just 90 seconds. These biochemical changes are real, measurable, and scientifically verified. This means your emotional habits directly influence your physical health. One of the strongest proofs of mind-body power is the placebo effect. When patients believe a treatment will help them, the brain begins producing healing chemicals automatically, even when the treatment itself is inactive. Brain scans show that expectation alone can reduce pain, improve mobility, and even regulate blood pressure. This doesn't mean the illness is in your mind. It means the mind plays an active role in recovery. Breathing is the only function that connects both the conscious and unconscious mind. A slow, deep breath signals safety to the brain. In response, the nervous system reduces stress hormones and shifts into healing mode. Studies from Harvard Medical School show that 5 minutes of controlled breathing each day can strengthen immunity, stabilize heart rate, and increase mental clarity. Scientists now refer to a cycle called the healing loop, which works like this. 1. Calm mind, relaxed nervous system. 2. Relaxed nervous system, balanced hormones. 3. Balanced hormones, stronger organs and immunity. 4. Stronger body, calmer mind. This loop explains why mental practices like meditation, gratitude journaling, and mindfulness reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even early aging. Neuroscience also reveals that the brain is not fixed. It can be rewired, a concept known as neuroplasticity. When you repeatedly practice calmness, gratitude, or focus, the brain forms stronger neural pathways. Over time, your default state shifts toward clarity and emotional balance. This is not magic. It is biology. Your mind is not separate from your body. They are two parts of one intelligent system. And every thought, every breath, and every emotional response sends signals that shape your health. When you take control of your mind, You take control of your entire inner world. Healing, therefore, does not begin in the body. It begins in the brain. Take care of your thoughts, and your body will follow.